Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Numark HF125 on-ear DJ headphones. This is a transparent case. As you can see what this headphone looks like. It comes with foam padded headbands and ear cushions along with adjustable head length. A lot of features are mentioned: flexible 7-position independently adjustable dual ear cups, large 40mm Mylar speaker drivers, 6 feet tangle-resistant cord with 1/4 inch connector, padded headband and ear cups, compact design. More or less the same information is written over here, and that's it. I will open this pack and show you what this headphone looks like. There you go. This is it. This is what it looks like. Okay, 1 second. Let me just show you the cable over here. This is a 6-foot long cable, which is kind of saying 180 centimeters, 1.8 meter long cable. You can see it's a pretty long cable actually. And this is the headphone in question. Okay, before that, let me just show you that there is a 3.5mm cable at the end of 3.5mm jack at the end of this cable, and a 6.2mm adapter as well. It's a great addition. Basically, this is for professional sound designers and DJs, because this is the cable that you use for recording sound all the time. This is the adapter actually that you use for recording sound all the time. Now let's take a look at the headphone itself. This is made out of plastic obviously, but this is made out of ABS plastic, good quality plastic, solid build, has a scratch proof texture over here as well. You can see adjustable headbands. Now you notice that adjustable headbands. The chassis inside is also made out of solid ABS plastic, and there is a foam pad over here. This is made out of pleather, by the way, not real leather. This is pleather, and there is foam, and the headband is also foam padded, as you can see. Same with the ear cups over here. You have, okay, so yeah, it's these ear cups have quite a bit of swivel in it. There you can see quite a bit of swivel, and it has soft padding over here as well. So yeah, it works pretty well actually, and this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Numark HF125 on-ear DJ headphones. Thank you for watching.